Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back. And today as you can see, the ground is really dry. So rain's finally letting off for a bit. So we're here to get a little slappy action and trying a new trick and, well, get what we can. So let's see if we can make this a happy ending. Okay, well, while I'm here, I'm just gonna get some flat ground. So let's see if we can get like one flat ground clip before I have to go. So here we go. Oh, that was first try, bitch! Woo! Well, didn't expect to land that ollie first try, but pleasant surprise there. Glad I did. Now here's the now on with the slappy action. Oh, what the fuck? Alright, so I got all the tricks that I wanted to do that I knew I could do. Didn't know the last one was gonna be a freaking battle to my utter insanity. But now I can work on a new one that I had in my head. Now I get to unlock it. So here we go. So I've got 5 minutes to learn this new trick. Let's go. Just fuck right off. Okay, that was like a rough estimate of how to do it. Ah! Fuck! Yes, finally made it. I made it. I don't care how it looked. I did it, and I am like so stoked over it. Whew! All right, so, but there's still one I want to try on a curb, and I'll save that for the next video. So until then, we'll see you later. If you like seeing videos like this, hit that like button, leave a comment below, and hit that subscribe button. It's absolutely free. And hit that bell icon for get all your notifications, just so you get notifications. And until the next session, hopefully I can get to that curb in the next video. But if not, we'll see you in the next video. And we will be trying that curve. So see you later.